This is the best storytelling and good information together in this storage, but you always repeat and repeat. Let's read now. If you have been missing the once familiar chirping of sparrows around your house, here's your chance to contribute to find out why this common bird seems to have disappeared from cities across India. A 2 months long online survey called Citizen Sparrow was launched, inviting responses from people on questions such as when they last sighted the bird and details about the area they live in. It is an elementary step to gather information. We are encouraging people to report their experience, be it a drastic drop in sparrow count or sudden spot. These inputs will give us valuable leads to compile pan India data, said Suhail Kader, evolutionary ecologist at the National Center for Biological Sciences. The disappearance of the house sparrow so widespread till recently that the Chinese Community Party declared it a pest in 1958 and asked people to exterminate it. Remains a great modern mysterious mystery worldwide. In the UK, sparrows are estimated to have declined from over 12 million to 6 million since the mid 70s. The survey would give us the first baseline data about distribution of sparrows in the country. This would form the basis for further research, said Karthik K, project coordinator. The objective of involving ordinary citizens rather than experts comes with a purpose, said almost everyone known almost everyone know about sparrows. It is an attempt to research out to the people, asking them to share their stories and their understanding of these birds, said Kader. Participants in the survey would be asked to mark locations on a map and give information about their sparrows sightings, including sightings from last year and even early. Such information will enable a comparison of population of sparrows in different places, and this is expected to point to particular threats or problems. The findings are intended to feed detailed studies investigating causes of decline and potential measures for the recovery of sparrow populations. The sparrow is an indicator of a trend. A number of other birds have also declined sharply. In the past few decades, the survey would provide more clues about why this and why these birds are disappearing. This is the most important news for the world to every person to know and informational gathered how to save birds life in the world.